Hi everyone, my name is Xauusd, and today we will be speaking about the gold analysis, what to trade now next, either to go long in the markets, either to go short in the markets, what will be the levels, what is the psychology, and what are the fundamentals. Let's start with the fundamentals here. We can see right now the Fed is constantly trimming the rates from 4.5% to right now it's ranging from 3.75 to between 3.75 to 4%. There are two type of rate cuts in the market, good cuts and bad cuts. Good cuts are when the federal government is trimming the rate cuts in the form of 25 basis to 50 basis form. And bad cuts are when there is a situation like a pandemic or 2008 Lehman Brothers crisis. If we talk about the pandemic, the rates were being reduced from 4.5% to zero because Fed wanted to save a dying patient, and which was the whole world's economy scenario. But the scenario here is the stocks right now are on its all-time high, and Dow Jones futures was on its all-time high, and since then the Fed started reducing the rates in the form of 25 basis to 50 basis points. Why? Because the unemployment rate right now it's been ticking from almost 3.5% to rising to 4.3%, which is a recession scenario. So that's why the to give a good flow in the economy, the Fed is reducing the rates in the trimming form, which is a positive for major assets classes like crypto. In crypto, we can say Bitcoin. In comics, we can say gold and silver, copper, and in major FX pairs, which has the denomination of USD, because it will be increasing the liquidity in these kind of assets when there is a flow in the economy. Now, coming on the technical side of the gold, so the fundamental, it clearly indicates a positive scenario of the gold in the upcoming months. Now, if we see the technical side of the gold on the 1 day time frame, starting from the 1 day time frame analysis, we can see here the gold has rallied from last year ending like almost 18 December 2024, and it has been rallied since then non-stop until the date of 21st October. So the rally here was almost of 70%. We can say 6.983, which is round figures to 70%. The gold has gave such returns, outstanding returns. But what's the next? What's the scenario? What is going to be happen next? Is it will just go back and go down here, we can see a profit booking, or will it be consolidating, or will it be rallying further? To see about that, let's take the multiple time frame analysis, which is let's do the top down analysis. Here we can see once the rally was started, there were lows in the market, swing lows in the one day time frame, and there were swing highs, which was also the consolidation zone when the market started rallying. After the rally, it was in the consolidation phase, which was very healthy for next 5 months from April to August, and then within 2 months it rallied again within from August to okay from 18th August to 21st October, almost 33%. Yeah, 33.5%. Now, here the scenario is we can see gold retracing on the retracement levels, which are not a proper low, but it has formed a low here on the 1 day time frame analysis. Right? If I see here, so I can consider this as the new low where the rally was continued by this candle. Let me just, yeah. Let me just remove the dotted line. So I can consider now 3,891 levels as a proper swing low, which has been confirmed after this candle getting closed by its previous candle's low. So this low is confirmed now as where the market has been supported. This is the one-day scenario where also we will see the resistance levels. These are the support levels. So the resistance levels, recent resistance levels are this where there was a breakout where there was a fair value gap and a bullish fair value gap and between this point of scenario and after this profit booking it should have been gone back if we see the SMC concepts, but this breakout candle and the low of I mean the closing of this candle, we can consider the recent resistance levels where it was a support level earlier in the market where the gold was failed to close here in its next candle, and then it gave a big breakdown crossing the that temporary earlier low in the market and then forming a new low, new swing low. Right now, in 1 day time frame, if we see it's like almost 3.5 hours remaining until the next candle, 1 day candle starts. And right now, after a bullish Marabuzu candle, the formation here is like a doji candle or neutral candle, where it's hard to indicate whether it will give a profit booking or whether it will go again up. So to break it down again, we will go on 4 hour time frame analysis to see in a precise manner how we can place a trade further. Now, in 4 hour time frame analysis, here we can see the structure forming as like here there were equal highs. So this clearly indicates on the technical and SMC level that there is a liquidity above here where people have placed their shorting stop losses above this level. And as we know, market structure shifts as per the liquidity in the market, where the liquidity lies. So the current bullish liquidity here is above the 4,383 levels, which can be act as a magnet in the market again. So how do we, if the scenario is bullish on the 4 hour time frame, where do we enter? The question remains the same. Now, if we see on the 4 hour time frame analysis, after having these levels, after having the liquidity levels, after having the support levels here, we can see the 4 hour candle after giving a good positive momentum here. The 4 hour candle has gave a healthy profit booking and has closed above the same level. So this level is acting as a major support right now. The candle low is acting as a major, stop loss orders, where major scalping stop loss orders will be there here, 4,090 levels. So now if people are going bullish on the market, then it will again come to grab the nearest liquidity. What I feel here right now is we if we are going if we are going long in the markets, then there we should wait because there is also an FVG, fair value gap, on the 4 hour time frame, which is from this candle body opening to this the third candle low as per my POV, and which will come to fill it back. No doubt here we have a price action resistance which became a support after the 4 hour candle closed here after, which was an impulse move, but which was also being supported by the level. Now, for me, this is the level where I can go long once the price reaches around price reaches to 4060 levels. Why? Because this is a major FVG on the 4 hour time frame. So if the price comes to the 4060 levels, I will see the scenario here. I will see if it has come in an impulse move, if it has came slowly, what kind of pattern it has formed, what kind of candles it has formed. And after a confirmation, after a buying confirmation, I will go long in the market at 4060 levels. This is the long side. But if we see again the another side, another scenario in the market, like here in a 4 hour time frame, here again there is a selling level. I mean, there is a resistance level in the price action. It's indicating this is as a resistance where it has rejected here. Like after a bullish momentum, it rejected from here, and again after giving a break of structure, it by an impulse move, it came back here to cross this levels here, and then there again there was a rejection in the wick on the 4 hour time frame. So this is also again a resistance level as per the price action, where that market might reject again from here, and it might go down. But that's the thing I'm saying here about. If price action is indicating me downside from this levels, if it's indicating that here there was a selling pressure, if here again there was a sell rejection, and again here there is a U-turn. I mean, there is a profit booking we can witness this. So that's what I'm trying to explain. If the profit booking happens here again, there is an bullish FVG standing here at the same levels where we can find it reasonable as per the SMC concepts, and we can see that this will be our proper five-star setup where gold retracing to this level, consolidating here, and then giving an impulse move where which will be next positive move. So this is my overall gold analysis based on the technicals and fundamentals. This is what I think right now. The scenario is in market for next upcoming days for this week almost, and let's see and let's take trade as per let's decide the trade as per the given analysis. Thank you for watching this, and let me know your views for the same.